A steel pad supporting heavy machinery rests on four short hollow cast iron piers.
The ultimate strength of the cast iron in compression is 344.5 megapascal. Yung allowable compressive stress daw is 344.5 megapascals. The outer diameter of the piers is 140 millimeter and the wall thickness is 10 millimeters. Using a factor of safety of 4.0 with respect to the ultimate strength, determine the total load P that can be supported by the pad. So as you can see, merong apat na post, no? Hindi nyo lang nakikita yung isa kasi nandito. And sinabi rin niya sa problem, press on 4 short, no? So ibig sabihin, yung total load P, mahati yan doon sa apat na post. So ang magiging demand natin sa kada post is simply P over 4. Yan yung demand, P over 4. Or kung gusto mo, in terms of stresses, yan yung demand sa isang post. So pag dinivide mo ng area ng post, yan ngayon yung magiging actual stress natin for each pad. So hindi yan dapat lumagpas ng ating allowable stress, no? Ano ba yung allowable stress natin? So based on the problem, meron daw tayong ultimate strength na 344.5. So ngayon, itong 344.5, ultimate yan. Pag sinabi mo kasing allowable, hindi mo pa abutin ng ultimate strength. Ang concept ng factor of safety is, i-divide mo yung ultimate stress by the factor of safety para yung target stress mo hindi lumagpas or siguradong hindi aabot ng ultimate stress. So ngayon, substitute natin yung area. Ano ngayon yung magiging expression natin for the area? So again, we have a tube. Nakadrawing din sa problem yung itsura ng cross-section natin. And alam na natin kung paano kukunin yung area niyan. This is the annular region. So para makuha yung inside diameter, that is simply outside diameter minus twice the thickness. Na-derive natin to previously. So pwede natin makompute ang inside diameter, 114 minus 2 times the thickness. So therefore, inside diameter is 94 millimeters. We can now substitute the area. Ang area ng annular region is simply pi over 4 outside diameter squared minus inside diameter squared equals 344.5 divided by 4.0. So therefore, makukuha natin yung value ng force P para hindi malagpasan yung stress na 344.5. Using a factor of safety of 4, of course. So we have 1125569.816 Newton. So divide mo ng 1,000 para maging kilonewton. That is 1125.569816 kilonewton. And that is letter B. A steel pad supporting heavy machinery rests on 4 short hollow cast iron piers. So ganun pa din. So ang nag-iba is yung ultimate strength of the cast iron in compression is 400 megapascals. The total load P that may be supported by the pad is 900 kilonewton. Using a factor of safety 3.0 with respect to ultimate strength, determine the outer diameter of the pier if the thickness of the cross-section is 12 millimeter. Okay, so ang demand natin is 900 kilonewton, no? Ito daw yung susuportahan na load. So ngayon, times natin yan ng 1,000 para maging newton. Hindi siya dapat lumagpas sa capacity ng section natin. So ang capacity ng section natin, paano natin makakompute? Yung ultimate strength na 400, divide natin of course ng factor of safety. Yan ngayon yung stress natin, no? So dinivide natin ang factor of safety of 3 to make sure na yung stress ay hindi aabot ng 400. Times natin to ng area. Again, ang area natin is yung annular region lang. So, pi over 4 times outer diameter squared minus inside diameter squared. And again, meron na tayong expression for inside diameter. In this case, that is outer diameter minus 2 times the thickness. Ang thickness natin for this problem is 12. So, we have outside diameter minus 24. So, substitute na natin yung mga expressions natin so that we can solve for the outside diameter. So, we have 900 times 1,000 equals 400 over 3 times pi over 4 times outside diameter squared minus 3o minus 24 squared. Okay? And then, pwede na natin ma-solve yung outside diameter. Okay? So, dapat ang outside diameter should be greater than. Sige, so tingin tayo sa calculator. And then, prepare natin ulit yung pang-shift solve natin. So, x squared minus x minus 24 squared. Again, pag nag-shift solve ka, gamit ka ng value na nasa choices, no? So, let's say 54. Namali ako ng pag-substitute. Ayan, sige, ulitin lang natin. A equals x squared minus x minus 24. Ayan, sorry. May nakalimutan ako sa natin, expression. Kasi yung 900 is the total load. Ngayon, kung 4 yung pads, so we have to divide this by 4. $56.7623277.4. Okay? So, syempre, nagdi-design tayo. So, dapat pipili tayo ng mas mataas. 57 mm. Kasi pag 56 ang pinili mo, siguradong magpi-fail ka dun sa allowable stresses mo. Okay? So, our answer for this problem is letter C.